On Saturn, with a magnifier, welcome to SaturNifier. Please click and subscribe to stay up to date with my latest videos. Thank you. Today's Monday. It's sunny. On sunny days, we like going to the beach. It's Wednesday. It's cloudy today. On cloudy days, she likes going for a walk. What day is it today? It's Sunday. It's stormy. On stormy days, I like watching TV. It's Tuesday. What's the weather like today? It's snowy. On snowy days, they like making a snowman. What day is it today? It's Friday. What's the weather like? It's windy. On windy days, he likes flying his kite. Fly a kite. Go for a walk. Go to the beach. Make a snowman. Watch TV. Now, I want to ask you some questions. You have 10 seconds to answer. What does she like doing on cloudy days? On cloudy days, she likes painting. She doesn't like taking photos on cloudy days. What does he like doing on sunny days? On sunny days, he likes riding his bike. He doesn't like watching TV on sunny days. What do they like doing on windy days? On windy days, they like riding their bikes. They don't like playing football on windy days. Well done, everyone! Please watch the video over and over again and review the lesson. As you know, practice makes perfect. Don't miss a thing. Please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon. Thank you.